Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. This is the second week of the 2-week CVS ad cycle and thanks for joining me again. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Last week, which was the beginning of this ad cycle, I posted a detailed video of deals, but this week I found more deals that I feel like they are worth sharing. And we also got back the two mystery offers we had last week. That's the Revlon and the Neutrogena. In case you missed out because your store is not well stocked up, here's your chance to do it again. The first deal I have here will be on Colgate Kids Toothpaste. They're on the deal of buy 2, get $5 back and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the Kids Colgate Maximum Cavity Repair Toothpaste. They are priced at $5.79 at my store, and 2 of them are going to total $11.58. Check your app because we have a $2 digital coupon that is going to apply to 1, and it will drop it down to $9.58. Pay that and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to ShopMium for a $2 back on the second item. After the $2 back, it's going to end up making both items just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The next deal I have here will be on Crest mouthwash. They are part of the spend 15, get $7 back, and this is a limit of 2. Pick up 1 of the Crest Pro Health Intense Clean Mints. It's priced at $8.79. To complete this deal, pick up the Scope Outlast, priced at $6.99. These 2 items are going to total $15.78. Check your app. We have a $2 digital coupon for Crest mouthwash, and we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is going to double dip, and the whole coupons is going to take off $5, dropping it down to $10.78. Pay that and get $7 back, making both items $3.78 or $1.89 each. The next deal I have here will be on Vaseline, and they're on the deal of spend 12, get $3 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Vaseline Healing Jelly, 7.5 ounces. They are priced at $7.29. And pick up the Vaseline Lotion, the 10 ounces. It's priced at $5.49. These 2 products are going to total $12.78. Check your app because we have a $1 coupon that is attaching to the healing jelly. It's not attaching to the lotion. And I received a $2 CRT in my email that will also apply to this deal. If you have that, it's going to drop it down to $9.78. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $6.78 or $3.39 each. The next deal I have will be on Peach Slices Acne Care. They're on the deal of spend 10, you get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Acne Spot Dots. They are priced at $4.99 each, and both items are going to total $9.98, and that's within the 98% rule to do this deal. Pay that and get $4 back, making both products $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is when you buy any Bio cleanser, stripe 6 count or 8 counts, you get $2 back, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 1 of the Oil Control 6 counts, priced at $8.99. Pay the $8.99 and get $2 back, making it just $6.99. The next deal I have is on Method Foaming Hand Wash. They are part of the buy 2, you get $2 back, and it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 of the foaming hand wash, priced at $4.99. That means the second one is going to be $2.50. These 2 items are going to total $7.49. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items just $5.49 or $2.75 each. The next hand soap deal I have will be on J.R. Watkins hand soap, the 11 ounces. They're on the deal of buy 1 get $2 back. Pick up 1. It's priced at $6.49 at my store. Pay that and get $2 back, making it just $4.49 only. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $3 back on any dye products, and it's a limit of 1, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 2 of the dye bath soap, the 3 packs, priced at $4.69 each. Picking up 2, the first one is going to be $4.69 and the second one is going to be $2.81. That will total $7.50. I don't have any coupon for this, so pay the $7.50 and get $3 back, making both items $4.50 or $2.25 each. If you need some bubble bath for the kids, the 36 ounces Mr. Bubbles are on the deal of buy one get $2 back, and it's a limit of 1. At my store, they are priced at $7.49. If you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, use it with this deal or any other deal I've shown so far that are not on sale. Picking up 1, pay the $7.49, get $2 back, making it just $5.49 only. If you like the Ivory body wash, the 35 ounces are on sale for $6 this week. It's not giving back any extra care box, or if you need a filler item, if you have a 10 off 70, this would be a good item to add to that transaction. The next deal I have is spend 15 get $3 back, and Lysol products and Airwick are part of this deal, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Lysol air sanitizer on sale for $9.99 and add the Airwick essential oil 2 refill. It's on sale for $6.99. These 2 products are going to total $16.98. Check your app because we have a $3 coupon for the Lysol air sanitizer, and we also have a $1.75 coupon for the Airwick product. After the coupons, it's going to drop it down to $12.23. Pay that and get $3 back, making both products $9.23 or $4.62 each. The next deal I have will be the spend 30 get $10 back. I'm sorry I wasn't able to film this at the shelf, but again, it's on sale for $14.99 and the Tide detergent is on sale for $14.99. The 2 of them are going to total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, and we also have a $3 digital for the Gain. The 2 coupons are going to drop it down to $23.98. Pay that and get $10 back, making both products $13.98 or $6.99 each. I shared this deal last week, but we have a $1 Ibotta rebate that popped up when you buy 2. The Pop-Tarts are on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2 at $3.98. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2, making these 2 products just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Mix 6 bars, they're on sale for $1.99. Picking up 2 will total $3.98. We have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $3.48. Pay that and submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box, limit of 5, making these 2 boxes just $2.48 or $1.24 each. If you like the Cheerio Street Bars, you can pick up 2, and we have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that you can use on this. And you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta for a 50 cents back when you buy 2. The next snack deal I have here will be on Oreo Sandwich cookies. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2, pay the $8 and get $2 back, making both products just $6 or $3 each. The last 2 items I have in this video will be on the Pringles. They're on sale for 2 for $4 and they're not giving back any extra care box. Pay the $4, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2, limit of 1. That will end up making 2 of them just $3 or $1.50 each. And this is where my video ends for today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your support and coming back every week. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.